In Vedic astrology, and in more particularly in Lal Kitab, there is a term called blind horoscope. What is a blind horoscope? Have you ever heard of this word blind horoscope? Can a horoscope be ever blind? But the Lal Kitab says so. When Saturn and Sun are in angular houses, and when Sun is 10 house from Saturn, or one when obviously when Sun will remain 10 house from Saturn, then only both can be in angular houses. So when Sun is 10 house from Saturn, then Saturn will aspect the Sun, and such an aspect of Saturn to Sun turns the horoscope of a person as what is called blind horoscope in Lal Kitab. So Lal Kitab will tell you your horoscope is blind. Is it quite interesting? Now why blind? Have you thought about it? This is because Sun is our ego and Saturn is the interest of the common man, the interest of the society, the interest of the institution. So when Saturn is aspecting by its 10th aspect to the Sun, then the ego is damaged, the ego is blinded, the personal ego is blinded, it is damaged, the ego doesn't know what is good or what is bad. In that case, the ego is confronted with it is conflicted with the interest of the society, with the interest of the large institutions. So that turns the native horoscope blind because the native ego is blinded. So this condition can happen if Saturn is in 7th house and Sun is in 4th house, or when Saturn is in 1st house and Sun is in 10th house. In such cases, the ego of the native, that is the Sun, is contradicted by the common man or the society or the interest of the institution, that is denoted by the aspect of Saturn. So in such cases, remedies to Saturn is necessary, because Saturn is a malefic planet. So remedies to Saturn is compulsory in such cases. Now the Bij mantra of Sun is Om Hram Hirim Hraum Sah Shuryaya Namah. Om Hram Hirim Hraum Shah Shuryaya Namah. Om Hram Hirim Hraum Shah Shuryaya Namah.